Hi friends, in this video I will show you home automation with Dtmf. Here are the components required for this project. This is a circuit. It's a simple circuit. You can refer it. If there is any doubt, you can comment below. Now I will assemble this circuit. I took the receiver side mobile manually. I will show you how to set the mobile in auto answering mode in this video further. When I am pressing the number, you can see the Dtmf is receiving it. While pressing every number, the LED in the Dtmf will blink. This is the Arduino code for Dtmf. Now I will show you how to set your phone in an auto answering mode. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.